I want to know what kind of circus you guys are running here. How you can allow a counselor to sit there and throw obscenities out at the public. 6 times I just got flipped off by a counselor and laughed at. It's on video. You can play it back. That violates every code of conduct.
Okay.
And it calls for immediate
The point is
dismissal.
taken. The point is taken. And
I asked the counselor to remove him from his office immediately. Do a majority vote.
Ben, we don't have the authority to
Yes, you
remove
do.
it. No, we do not.
Majority vote.
No,
Majority
it's-
vote
no,
can take
this
him right
isn't-
out right now.
Start the time. Ben,
So that's going to be allowed?
are you going to keep interrupting me or let me finish? The point is, no, counselors cannot be doing that. And I wasn't aware of any of that. You've made it aware. Counselors verbally are not allowed to do that. We're not allowed to make any obscene gestures. And
Well, apparently there's no recourse. We can continue. It's very classy.
all right.
Oh, you're not gonna say that.
This
stuff.
is my time now.
All right,
Thank you.
that's fine. That's fine. It's your time only. But you've said.
ahead.
I only had 5 minutes last time, so I had to leave before I did my disclosure. I left with my humble opinion based on extensive research that has been collected over the last 4 years. That Lighthouse Road, there's evidence supporting that it is a public road. Of course, here's my disclosure. That's not a legal opinion. I'm not an attorney. I'm not an attorney in any state. I'm not rendering any legal opinion. But there was one done. There was a comprehensive study. And that's what I brought to your attention, that the fact that we're on a harbor management commission here to help you guys render opinion. We render suggestions and recommendations to you guys to help prevent you from getting into legal battles. That's part of our job. And with all due respect, you're wrong, Councilor Lombardo. Joy Cordio didn't tell us anything. That was my opinion from my research that I gave to all of you that shows that Lighthouse Road, in fact, went straight down to the lighthouse. And there was one house there on that road at that time, Larkin. So who owned it? There was never any abandonment procedures of that road. But regardless, if in fact you are correct, it's our duty as the Harbor Management Commission, if there is no easement rights and the Fed and town determine the road is private, quote unquote, then we would need that information to take it out of the harbor management plan. Because it's number 29 right now. And the only excuse we got is that it's privileged information. How is it a waiver of privilege to share it with the Harbor Management Commission? Why is it just on Lighthouse Road? It wasn't a waiver of privilege for Spring Avenue. So, the Salavisic opinion was made public. Solicitor Conley's legal opinion was made public. It just doesn't make any sense. And it gives there's no reason for it. And she said right now, we're playing hypothetical, right? There's no pending litigation. It's possible litigation. Well, if we're playing hypothetical, you guys just voted on something and circumvented the Harbor Management Commission. You didn't want to, like I suggested, send it to us and we'll look into it. Why did I say to do that? Because I'm looking out for your benefit, so you don't assume any liability. Did that application mention anything about protecting fishing rights? No. Did it mention anything about safety? No. Our job and your job as counselors are to protect all public interest and all public rights. You worried about potential litigation? What about every Rhode Islander's constitutional right? You want to do hypotheticals? What if they put a fence around the whole entire property? Does it say they can't do that in there? What if they build a 20-foot high wall with a moat with sharks? We can do this all day. Bottom line is, this is grade school, attorneys. Get everything in writing and all stipulations. That's doing your due diligence. I'm disgusted with what I saw here tonight. Have a good night.